Hello, fantastic fourth graders. Yes, this is Eureka Math, grade 4, module 3, lesson 17. Okay, we're still working on the same learning target. I can solve two-digit dividend. That's the number that I am dividing up division problems with remainders in the ones place by using place value disk. Today, you're going to have to decompose tens to ones because there's not enough to divide between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however many people or groups. So I want to remind you of the steps of long division, which we talked a lot about today. We're going to keep practicing until they're just kind of ingrained in you. D, dad, first step, division. M, mom, second step, multiply. Third step, sister, subtract. B, brother, bring down. And then you can compare. Does what we have left over, is it larger than the number that we're dividing by? And if it is, then we have to go back to the dad, okay? So we'll go through those steps on each one of these slides today. Okay, on this first one, we have 3 things and 3 discs, and we're going to divide it into 2 groups. So I'm going to put 2 groups down here. So cross this out, I have 1. Cross this out, I have 1, and then I have 1 left over. So let's do that in long division. So I have 3, and I'm dividing it by 2. Okay, 3, so D is my dad division. 3 divided by 2 is 1. So I have 1 in each group. My answer is going to be 1. And then we multiply, mom, 2, sister, subtract, bring down. There's nothing to bring down. So then I'm comparing. Is my 1 smaller than what I'm dividing by 2? Yes, it is. So my remainder is 1. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. It's a little bit bigger. So here we have 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And we have no ones. And we're dividing the 3 tens, 30. We can rewrite this as 30 divided by 2, 3 tens. So I want to divide those into 2 groups. So let's put that down here. So I have 2 groups. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to put it here. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to put it here. Oh no, I have 1 left, but since it's a 10, I need to decompose this into ones so I can divide it into 2 equal groups. So let me do that and then I will come back to you. Okay, my 10 that was left over, I've decomposed it. Now I have 10 ones. 10 ones is the same as 1 10. So I'm going to divide those up into my 2 groups. And each person will get 15, whatever, gummy balls, I don't know. And so my answer, my quotient is going to be 15. Let's do that as long division. Okay, here I've written it in long division form. I have 3 divided by 2 is 1, and then I multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. I subtract. Now, even I do have something to bring down here. I have a 0 to bring down, so I need to bring down my 0. And now, just what I did over here. It's where I regrouped. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now I multiply. 5 times 2 is 10. And then I subtract. I have 0 left over. Okay. Okay, here on this slide, I have 84, and we're going to divide it into 3 equal groups. So let me get that on my place value chart. Okay, so I have put 84 on my place value chart. So I'm going to divide those up into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, I don't have enough to divide that into 3 groups. So I am going to have to regroup these. Now that's going to be a lot of dots, but I'm going to do this just to show you. Okay, so I have drawn in 20 dots because 2 tens would be 20 ones. Now I can take these and I can divide them up into 3 equal groups. So let's do that. Okay, after I did that long thing where I took all of these and I got 8 in each group, so my quotient, my answer is going to be 28. So let's do the long division, and let's do multiplication to double check our answer. Okay, so long division, we need to remember our steps. D divide, mom, M multiply, S subtract, B brother bring down, and compare cat. Okay, so let's walk through the steps. 8 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. We have to subtract 24. Oh, if I went over here and counted all of these dots in my ones, I would have 24. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Every time we divide, remember it goes at the top because that's our quotient. That's our answer. 8 times 3 is 24. I subtract, I get 0. So my quotient is 24. The way I can figure if that's correct, I can check it. 28 times 3 is going to equal, if I did this right, it's going to equal 84. Okay, 3 times 8 is 24, and then 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 more is 8. Yes. Woo! Okay, let's try one more. Okay, we are not trying one more. Now I want to go to your 6E book. I want you to complete page 199 to 201. And if you're having a lot of trouble, put a question mark and let's go over it tomorrow, but I really want to see that you've tried, okay? Okay, see you tomorrow.